Hey Benzi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Esther. So guys, today it's Valentine's Day. I don't even know when you guys are gonna see this video. Probably it's gonna be like in March. But anyway, today is Valentine's Day and I'm going for hiking. Yeah. I think it was like an event on Facebook. I just bumped into it, and actually Marlene invited me for it. So she was like, let's go for hiking, there's no point of just staying at home doing nothing. So I was like, yeah, sure, let's go. I'm not excited about it, to be honest. I'm just going so that I don't just stay at home lazing around. So yeah guys, come with us for hiking. I'm very sure like we're gonna see really beautiful views of the beach. We're also going to some village. It's called Popeye Village. I think it's gonna be nice, so let's go. Hi guys, you know, actually it was raining earlier, like in the morning it was raining, and I thought like maybe the hike would be cancelled. I was really hoping it would be cancelled, to be honest, but then now the sun's out, so I have to go. We're supposed to meet up at 11 and it's currently 10:30, so I have like a 20-minute walk to the Slima ferries. I'll see you guys soon. One thing about roads in Malta, they are so narrow, so narrow. Okay, say hi! Hi guys, I don't know if you guys can see me properly, but anyway, we are at the Popeye Village right now. I think that's how you pronounce it. This is the starting point. My group is over there. We're supposed to name groups according to cities, and I said, you know, let's name our group Mombasa, and everybody agreed. So I think we're gonna start hiking in a moment. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys like how pretty the countryside is. Actually this place pretty much looks like Cyprus, honestly. It's quite similar, to be honest. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Madeleine, I'm from Italy. I'm enjoying so much this hiking today.
So, hi, my name is Branko and I come from Macedonia.
Hi, I'm Melissa and I come from Estonia.
Hello, I'm Natalia, I come from Spain, from Madrid.
And I am her boyfriend, and I'm Claudio, I'm 31, and I'm from Spain as well.
Yay!
Okay, so for how long have we been walking?
I lost the time. Lost it.
I think we've been walking for like 1 hour and something.
Yeah,
maybe 2 hours.
It's a video?
Yeah, it's a video.
This is from Sicily.
Say your name. What's your name?
My name is Marco, and I'm here with this beautiful girl.
He's not us.
Next to me,
Hi guys, so we are still walking. Right now we are going up the hill and I'm so tired. I'm breathing heavily. Marlene, how are you doing?
I'm cool.
Oh my goodness, I feel like I'm dying.
Not Rangiera moment anymore.
Yeah, it's because we're going up. We're going up.
Really up. If you want to show them, look.
Yeah, like
It's so up that there is even green things.
yeah, there's a lot of greenery here. But then we're almost done with the hike, yeah?
Almost. Who knows?
No, he said we are at the end.
Say a lot of things.
He says a lot of things.
Part.
No, this is the end. This is the...
Now is where the hiking starts.
Yeah, now this is like the real hiking. Because, oh my god.
Keep pushing.
Oh. Ah, push! You're gonna fall down.
In the grass, he say. In the grass, he say.
Ooh. In the grass, it's not gonna slide.
No, in the grass you're not gonna slide. In the sand, yes.
Okay, why I'm following you here?
I don't know. This looks really dangerous, honestly.
I don't know. What do you think? What do you think?
I think I'm really scared.
I'm following you, but
Yeah, but don't fall on me, Marlene.
what I gonna do? Can you do in the grass, please?
Yeah, I'm in the grass now.
In the grass, but I'm following. Even in the grass.
Oh my god! Guys!
Give me your hand.
No, don't touch me. No, I think I'm fine.
Alicia. Yeah, I'm alive. Are you alive? Yeah.
Alicia, you...
Fuck you.
Oh my god.
Those are old fisherman houses. They are digged in the rocks.
Yeah.
And over there nowadays they keep the boats and fishing gear.
Yeah.
And,
Do they live there?
Some, yes, some. But most of them they are just for the boats.
Yeah.
But there are people even now which live there and they work there like
Yeah.
many of them like a proper house, almost proper house.
Oh my god, guys, we finally made it. Branko, how are you feeling? We finally made it down the hill.
Easy peasy.
We survived. Next one?
Yes.
Oh my god.
It's time for the next one.
I feel really tired. Like my legs are just tired. But we made it. We made it through the hardest part. So this is pretty much easy. They're even clapping.
I feel energetic.
Yeah. They're even clapping. It's like people who clap when the plane lands. So guys, I think this is the end of the video. I feel really tired. We finally made it to the bottom. Look at the ocean, man. Look at that view. So pretty. Oh no, water, 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 water. There was water. There was water coming. But anyway guys, I hope that you like this video. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, share. I have met people from all over the world. It's crazy. So see you next time. Bye. Alicia, say bye. Bye. Branko, say bye.
Ciao, ciao.